Today we're going to write a polynomial equation given an imaginary root and a real root. If we have an imaginary root, we know that they come in pairs, so I would also have his complex conjugate. They may not give me this guy as another root, but I have to know that that's there. The next thing I want to do is write all of my roots into their factored forms using my x minus. And after I get those written, I'm going to multiply the two imaginaries together, and then I'll come back and get the x minus 8 and multiply that into the simplified form of these two. Let's distribute our negative sign throughout that entire parentheses, and let's distribute this negative sign. Negative and negative is going to make a positive. Now, I need to multiply these two together, and I'm going to split it up and say this x times this trinomial, and this minus 2 times this trinomial, and then my minus 3i times this trinomial. And I'm going to come back after it's all cleaned up and then multiply the x minus 8 in. So I need to distribute my x, distribute my minus 2, distribute my minus 3i, and don't forget that I squared equals a negative 1. Let's see if we have anything that we can cancel out. I don't have any other x squareds. Here's a negative 2x and a negative 2x, so that's going to make a negative 4x. 3ix and a negative 3ix are going to cancel. 6i and a positive 6i are going to cancel. This I squared equals negative 1, so this is truly a plus 9. So I have my plus 4 and my plus 9, and I'm going to get a plus 13. Now, don't forget about the x minus 8. And I would prefer to do x times x squared minus 4x plus 13 minus 8 times x squared minus 4x plus 13. So I'm breaking up my binomial times my trinomial. Came back and got the negative 8 times this. Distribute your x. Distribute your negative 8. And then combine any like terms that you have and make sure that you are writing in standard form. So you should be in descending order. That's positive. So we're going to get a 45x and a minus 104. And then we're finished.